Sources in the Congress candidates in Delhi for Lok Sabha have in fact blamed the Aam Aadmi Party for the Lok Sabha debacle. As per the report submitted by the fact-finding committee to the Congress president, all three candidates have blamed AAP for not supporting them and not being able to transfer the votes in the election. Udit Raj, JP Agarwal, Kanhaiya Kumar in fact apprised the committee that Aam Aadmi Party did not support their campaign. So that's a big news coming in, big news update as per what we're learning from our sources in the Congress. Let me go across to Sharon joining us live with more details. Sharon, this is, the Congress party essentially pinning the blame on the Aam Aadmi Party for the poor performance of the alliance as far as Lok Sabha elections in the national capital are concerned. We've already picked up news of how, going forward, as far as several other assembly elections are concerned, the two parties are not going to be in an alliance, and it's very clear what the Congress party is thinking about this alliance now.
Well, that is right. In fact, after the Lok Sabha elections 2024, this decision was taken by the High Command of Congress Party that they are not going to go with an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party either in Delhi or in Haryana. Remember, this time in Lok Sabha 2024 elections, we have seen how the Congress Party was in alliance. A seat sharing formula was shared between both the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Out of the 7 seats, 3 were contested by the Congress Party and the remaining 4 were contested by the Aam Aadmi Party. Similarly, in Haryana as well, we have seen how the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party decided to do a seat-sharing formula. But now they have, in fact, categorically, the senior leaders of the Congress Party has been saying that going forward, they will not have any sort of seat-sharing alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, be it the assembly elections in Delhi or the upcoming assembly elections in Haryana. Now, the reason is all depended on this fact-finding committee that was headed by P.L. Punia, another senior Congress leader who has submitted his fact-finding committee report to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, where he in fact spoke to all the 3 candidates, JP Agarwal, Udit Raj and Kanhaiya Kumar, where all the 3 of them has apprised the High Command that as far as the support of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, that was completely absent. There was no support from the Aam Aadmi Party when it comes to the national capital. Also, the committee has observed that all these 3 candidates were actually going after the Aam Aadmi Party support. They were seen with the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and on ground they were not doing their respective work, which has miffed the Congress Party workers, which ultimately resulted in Congress Party workers not really being boosted enough, not doing much when it comes to the Congress campaign in national capital. They remain very disinterested. So when it comes to the blame of what really happened in Delhi elections, Delhi Lok Sabha seats, around 7 out of 7, all the 7 seats were won by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the India Alliance has 0 seats. The reason the Congress Party has been saying that they received 0 seats is because of the Aam Aadmi Party. Of course, we have to see how the Aam Aadmi Party reacts to this, but clearly the blame game over the loss has started, and the Congress has started to in fact allege that it was Aam Aadmi Party due to which they were not really able to win even 1 seat in the national capital.
Okay, so that's some sort of introspection that's taking place on part of the Congress. Remains to be seen how the AAP though responds to this. Sharon, many thanks for joining us with the latest. A quick break.